Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to install Corel Draw graphics suite 2025. First of all, you download the files from our link, then extract the file in your file managers and enter the password 123. Guys, it just if you install before read the crack notes, okay, and follow all the process. So any types of errors, there is a problem running software. So first of all, turn off your internet connections and firewall, okay, real-time protections. Then you have to complete the installation process. Follow the same process, guys. Please like and subscribe, my guys. Please like and subscribe. Okay, check complete. Enter the serial. Where is the serials? There is a crack button. Check crack zones, activations, crack notes. There is a serial number. Check the serial number and copy, and then put there, copy. Which your version, choose it from this crack file, choose it. So there is a serial number, copy and paste. Okay, wait some time, and after you complete the process, please run your files and wait. There is activation, so it displays activation code. So if you will deactivate, there is a first of all, you go to your open your file, run your file, then there is a code, copy, then paste. Okay, copy, then paste. Check, verified. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.